It's the Late Cretaceous period. In Canada and the US. Tonight we're going to draw one of the prehistoric birds from the ancient age. Tonight we're going to draw a Hesperornis, or at least Hesperornis. In the 1890s, a scientific study of Hesperornis was mostly well, I'll get to that later. Let's just say that the government decided to put this prehistoric penguin on Chased by Dinosaurs and my favorite movie, Sea Monsters, A Prehistoric Adventure. Don't get me wrong, guys. I've seen this creature on both of the movies, and this guy was a star. He first started out in Chased by Dinosaurs, then made his appearance in the movies. He has special webbed feet like any other bird. There are many species of birds out there. My favorite is the sparrows. Other prehistoric animals? Well, I don't really know how many are there. And finished. There he is. That's how I draw Hesperornis. Giant diving bird from prehistoric times. Chased by dinosaurs. And sea monsters, a prehistoric adventure. That's all for now. Be sure to like and rock and subscribe to this channel, and let me know what dinosaur you want me to draw next. Good night.